بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على سيدنا ونبينا محمد وعلى آله الطيبين الطاهرين واللعنة الدائمة الأبدية على أعدائهم أجمعين إلى قيام يوم الدين. السلام عليكم my beloved ones ورحمة الله وبركاته. Inshallah, we are going to discuss another concept from the logical concept which are used to prove our beliefs, our belief system is al-aqaid. And today we are going to take the concept which is related to the causality. However, it is like a one-way direction. What does one-way mean? Now, one-way means that cause effect. Okay, focus with me. This is very important. If you understand this, all the questions about Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will be understood about where is God and where was God and when was God and all these kind of things. This logical the premises needs to be understood properly. So we have cause and effect. Effect is down, or let me say this is effect. Okay, cause effect, sabab musabbab. The logical premises is that effect can never be the cause of its cause. An effect can never be the cause of its cause. So it's a one way cause, effect, cause, effect, cause, effect. Okay, one way. It cannot go and become the cause of its cause in the same time, same realm. So again, cause, effect. The effect can never be the cause of its cause in the same system, same realm, same time, same, all these things. It can never become the cause of its cause. An effect can never be the cause of its cause in the same system, same realm, same time, same. Okay. So, like if you're going to a Pakistani restaurant, okay, and you ask them menu, the guy will not bring you a paper menu. He will bring you like we have chicken kadai, chicken masala, chicken korma, chicken pizza, chicken biryani, chicken, and you just download the whole menu in your hand. I know the iftar is almost there, and don't make us hungry. But the thing is that he will just say chicken. So I'll do the same thing, okay? And effect can never be the cause of its cause at the same time, same length, same. Okay, no, yeah, it may be in a different realm, different system, different time. Okay, but not in the same time, same realm, same system. So if I say same, remember that I'm using the chicken curry, chicken masala, chicken tikka, chicken. Then not that I was working in a restaurant, but it's like from hearing them, I got this rhythm of the menu. So did you get this? Two examples. A son can never be the father of his father in the same time, same realm, same system, same. Never. Maybe in the day of judgment, Allah might can make your father, you be the father of your father, different system, okay? Because it's all about ruh getting inside the body. So ruh of your father will come in, for example, we are saying, for example. But in this world, no, it's impossible that your son, your father, your son can become your father in the same realm, same system, same time, because those theory of dusra janam and the reincarnation, we are also blocking that out, because that's a different system, different concept, different realm. If that is true, we don't believe in that, but let's hypothetically say if that is true, okay, then it's a different system, it's a different time. I'm talking about this time, okay. The same thing. Can a son, can a daughter be the father of her father and this and that? So some of our smart youngsters says, yes. Fatima, salamullah alayhi, the mother of her father. Yeah, but that's a metaphor. I said physically, same system, same realm, same everything, same. And effect can, because father is the cause of your existence, and you are the effect of your father. So you cannot be the father of your father in the same time, same realm, same. Okay. And the same thing, the mother. You're the daughter of the mother. The mother is the cause. So you cannot be the mother of your mother in the same time, same realm, same. Okay. Another example: can the table be the maker of its maker? No, impossible. So these are logical impossibilities. So if you get that, so we come to this question where they ask when or where is God, or where was God, or when was God? So the whole idea is in answering what is the meaning of when and what is the meaning of where. The meaning of when is time. Okay. What is the definition of time? The time indicates movement of something from point A to point B. It takes time. Movement takes time. So time is something moves from point A, okay, put here point A till point B. So this took time from here to here. So time. So when, and every realm has different time. First of all, when there was nothing. Remember nothing from yesterday? But there was nothing there. So how can there be a time? Because time is a product of movement of the celestial bodies. So if there were no celestial bodies for us, there was no movement, there was no time, but God was there. God created the whole universe, so created the time with the universe. And the time is a relative thing. For us on the earth, it's 24 hours. On Jupiter, it's maybe like 48 or 50, whatever hours of the day, because it's a huge planet. So until it circulates around itself, it takes more than 24 hours. So the time was never there when the celestial bodies were not there. Okay, what about the angels' movement? Again, when there was nothing there was no angels, there was no movement of that metaphysical system, then there was no time. So when God created the whole moving things, the time became associated with it. So God created the time. That means God created the when. So God created this is when, time. So time cannot be about God, because time was not there. God was there. You were not there. Your father was there. So how can your father be, you be the father of your father? How can the effect be the cause of its cause? How can the time govern and control Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, where he can vanquish the time by eliminating the whole universe? Are you getting this? So God was there and the time was not there. So when we say when, he created when. Before there was no when. Okay. So these logical arguments we learn from Imam Ali ibn Abi Talib alayhi salam in Nahj al-Balagha, and from Ahadith. As I said, I'm juicing the material out and presenting it to you. Okay. So God is the creator of all these things. So he cannot be under the control of all these of his creation. So that's time. Place. God, there was no place. God was everywhere. God created the place in him, yet he's not born to it. So every creation, we can say, is in God, but not, as Imam Ali says, not as God is bound to, like we are bound to things we are attached to. We are bound to this cloth. We are bound to things we are this chair. We cannot sit without a chair unless if you're that magician guy. So anyhow, so when you are associated with things, you are bound with it. But God is associated with everything, is in everything and out of everything, and in the time and out of time. He's everywhere, but he is not bound to it. That means he does not need these things. He's beyond all these needs. That's how Imam Ali alayhi salatu wasalam presents the association of God in everything, with everything, in every time, and out of every time, and in every single molecule, micromolecule. God is there, and God is out of there, and God is in the time and out of time, but He's not bound to all these things. So God is above everything. Now, so if this one way is understood, the effect can never be the cause of its cause. So God can, the place cannot control God, because God created our material place, or up. We cannot say God is up in the heavens, because God was there when there were no heavens. Okay, we cannot say God is on earth, or He comes from up to down. This up to down was created by God. It cannot control God. God is everywhere. He doesn't need to come from up to down. He doesn't need to be up and not down. He's up and He's down and He's everywhere. So, because He created this limited universe and He's unlimited, so how can this limited universe of up and down control God and keep it up in the heavens and comes down? Or for example, some people, they say comes down on donkey. Okay. So this is absurd. Logically, it's absurd. We respect all those people who have different ideologies other than the Islam and other than school of Ahlul Bayt alayhi salam. We respect them. But for us, it is logically absurd. Imam Ali alayhi salatu salam taught us, that's the benefit of following Imam Ali ibn Abi Talib, that he taught us how to use logic and logical arguments and the logical premises. So that's why we are going to now, without any delay, check what do we have on the slide. So these two, and we're going to apply this on the ayat. So basically, these are logical arguments. We apply it on our ayat. So today's ayat will be Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. In Surah Al-Zukhruf, Surah Al-Zukhruf, we have 84, 43, 84. Surah number 43, ayah number 84. So what does Allah says in Surah Al-Zukhruf? If you have a Quran, you can follow with us. Look how beautifully, clearly He says it. Now, some of our Sunni fellows, some of our, not all, they say God is in the heaven. But the ayat says God is in the heaven and God is on the earth. So they try to justify it with some metaphorical interpretations. When Shias, they do metaphorical interpretations, they say you're taking the batin and not zahir. But here you're taking the batin, where logically you can take the zahir, and logically it does not contradict the zahir. The apparent does not contradict the logical existence of God. What does this ayah say? Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. وَهُوَ الَّذِي فِي السَّمَاءِ إِلَهٌ. He is the one in the heavens. He is the God. وَفِي الْأَرْضِ إِلَهٌ. The earth, He is God. So He's God in the heavens and God in the earth and God everywhere. There is no place or no molecule or no electron or no quantum particles empty from God. And when I mean empty, doesn't mean physical emptiness. No, it is him being everywhere, metaphysically, everywhere in the physical system, out of the physical system, in the time, out of the time, beyond everything. And He created everything from nothing. He can vanquish everything, yet He's everywhere. So that is ayah. And then also, وَسِعَ كُرْسِيُّهُ. Allah has a chair. His chair, no. His seat, no. This is not physical seat. His control, His existence expands the samawat wal ard. It's not His chair. No. His existence, another interpretation, His control expands, goes beyond the heavens and the earth. وَلَا يَؤُودُ حِفْظُهُمَا. He does not become tired. He maintains everything in balance. He does not become tired or exhausted or weird in maintaining them. He alone can maintain. He doesn't need any angels. He doesn't need anyone to maintain the whole universe. He alone can do it because the whole universe is engulfed in the existence of God. In again, in the existence of God, not associated in a way that God depends on it. No, God is totally independent. Yet the whole universe is everywhere in God, and God is in and out of everything and everywhere. But there is a detachment in a way that there's no dependency of God. And there's more to this talk, inshallah. In future, we will discuss further. But before I leave you all, um, these are two ayat. Another ayat is from Ayat al-Kursi, ayat number 255, Surah al-Baqarah. Let's see the beautiful words of Imam Ali alayhi salam. People, they ask Imam Ali, where is God? Imam Ali alayhi salam says, أين سؤال عن مكان. You ask me where? You're asking me about a place. You're asking me about a place. وَكَانَ اللَّهُ وَلَا مَكَانٍ. And God was there before He created the place and the space. He created the space, He created the time, He created the matter. God was there. There was no place. So remember, God, place. He created the place. How can the place be something which controls God or becomes something which is associated? No, God is there everywhere, not limited to a place, like He's not here and there. No, He's everywhere. So place was created by God. So He's the cause. And also, Imam Ali alayhi salam says in Nahj al-Balagha, وَمَنْ أَشَارَ إِلَيْهِ فَقَدْ حَدَّهُ. Whoever points, God is there in the sky, you have limited God. That means God is up and God is not down. وَمَنْ حَدَّهُ فَقَدْ عَدَّهُ. And then when you say God is up, okay, according to one interpretation, that means you are allowing the chance that you can count God. You can have some measures of God. When you have measures of God, then that is not God, because God created the measures, created the effect, size. How do you say this? This is like 10 centimeters. Before there was no centimeter, there was no measures. So the measures were created by God. How can God become under the measures? Impossible. وَمَنْ قَالَ فِيمَا. Those who say, in what is God? فَقَدْ ضَمَّنَهُ. That means you have engulfed God, restricted Him in something. No, God is in and out. You cannot limit God. وَمَنْ قَالَ عَلَى مَا فَقَدْ أَخْلَى مِنْهُ. If you say on what God is on heavens, that means you have made another places empty from God. God is everywhere. كَائِنٌ لَا عَنْ حَدَث. Remember the time? He is there and He was always there. Not out of creation, not out of time. He created the time. He's there, not bound to hadath. Hadath means happening, the time, movement. No, He was there, but there is no movement, there is no happening, there is no past, present, future kind of thing. Mawjudun, la an adam. He's there. He was not created. This point, inshallah, will continue tomorrow. That there is a question: who, if every effect has a cause, then who's the cause of God? So the question is God an effect of a cause, or He was there without any cause being there for His existence? So that, inshallah, we are going to continue tomorrow, bi'idhnillahi ta'ala, and a few more ahadith enlightening us about the existence of God. So hopefully this theory of causality is understood. It's a one way. If I ask you cause and effect, no. It's two way, you will say no, one way. An effect can never be the cause of its cause in same realm, same place, same time, same, like samosa, chicken kadai masala, and all those kind of things. Okay, so that's it for today. And the question for today is, in which surah? I just need the number or the name of the surah. Surah number or surah. In which surah Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, وَهُوَ فِي السَّمَاءِ, He's the Lord in the heavens, and or He's the God in the heavens and God in the earth. وَفِي الْأَرْضِ إِلَهٌ فِي السَّمَاءِ إِلَهٌ وَفِي الْأَرْضِ إِلَهٌ. He is everywhere. He is not only in the heavens, like many people they say He's in the heavens. So in which surah is this ayah? I'm not asking for the number of the ayah. I'm asking for the number of the surah or the name of the surah. وآخر دعوانا الحمد لله رب العالمين وصلى الله على محمد وعلى آله الطيبين الطاهرين والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. In few minutes, في دقائق نبدأ بالعربي إن شاء الله.